Lego sets box spray. We're going to start with the random. And there's 10 of these. So we got a whole case. One of these is a case hit. So let's determine which box we open. I'll tell you what, we'll start things off with a race and see who wins these spots. And we'll do that random there. All right, here we go. 7 times. Lucky number 7 on your mark. Get set. Go. 2 winners. First place gets 2 spots. Second place gets a spot as well. Joseph S. is out front. Joseph S. is looking to bring this thing home. Oh, here comes the pack. Everybody coming up here. Nathan M. Oh, my. Right here at the end of the race, Nathan M. stormed up there, got 2 spots. Joseph also got a spot from the race. So that is our winners here into the break. Congratulations. Baller Z. Let's see who owns which sets here. We'll start with randoming. Both lists 7 times, and we'll start with this list here. Coming through. Oh, you know what? Before we start this random, we're gonna random the numbers. So each one of these has a number labeled. This is case number 2. So that's why you see the 2 dash. But let's just do this random and see which ones we get to open out of the new case. So 7 times through, our number is going to be on the top of the list. Lucky number 7. And it's number 1. Okay, number 1. So 2-1 is the one we're looking for here. And it goes all the way to the front. So that is 2-1. That is our box. So hopefully it's the case hit. Hopefully that we're chasing a case hit out of here. Hopefully that is our case hit box. Now back to some more randoming. Let's see what we got here. Starting with the Lego, different types of Lego sets, 7 times through. Okay, lucky number 7. Now the owner names. Good luck, everybody, in our Lego break 7 times through. What's it going to be popping out of here in the Lego set break? Lucky number 7. That's our randoming. Now you can see your sets. And, of course, you can make trades or do whatever leading up to the opening. But there it is. Okay. Now you can see your Lego sets. Okay, here it is. Good luck, everybody, in the Lego Sets Break Series 1. Ho! What is it going to be? Oh, you know what? Before I open this, I do want to let you guys know there is a trade offer out there. You may not have seen it. Jurassic World for architecture. So that could still happen. Just give it an extra second. Joseph S. may want to move the architecture for Jurassic World. All right, final opportunity. Here we go. Final chances for any trades. I think we're good to go here. I don't see any trades happening. Let's do this. What's it going to be? It's a radio. Old school looking radio. Lego icons. Not categorized. It's in everything else section. Retro radio. Oh, cool. So who has the non-categorized? That's Joseph S. with this Lego set. Hit in the break. Congratulations. Nice going, man. It's a really cool looking Lego radio set. Okay, it looks like it's got a dial in there and everything else. It almost looks like you'd be able to actually, put something in there and just listen to the radio with it. Maybe it actually works. It does say sound brick right there. I mean, the antenna looks real enough. It might actually work as a radio. Anyway, really cool. Congratulations with your retro radio Lego set. Joseph S. Hope.